So what should you do if you're in a car accident? My name is Zachary Cole with Probinsky, Chavez and Cole in Sarasota, Florida. And that can be a pretty important question, and how you react after a car accident can affect both your safety and how you're compensated for any injuries that you receive in that accident. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're safe. You want to check yourself for injuries, anybody that's with you, check them, other cars. If it's safe to do so, then pull over to the side of the road. I know we all spend a lot of time on the roadways, and one thing that I see a lot is an accident that happens and then there are several accidents behind that first accident just because people slow down and people aren't paying attention, they're on their phones, things like that. So first and foremost, consider your safety and the safety of the people with you. After that, you want to call the police. You call 911 if it's an emergency. If not, you can call the non-emergency number for two reasons. Again, first and foremost, safety. They're going to clear the roadway to make sure everybody's safe. If you need treatment, they'll get it for you, and they'll get it for you quickly. And second is they're going to document the scene. But this is something that you should, if you're able to safely, help out with, because officers investigate numerous accidents a day, and they're not going to take photographs at every accident. They're not going to always document everything to a T, so you want to help them out with that. So if there are things that are going to be valuable to a potential claim that you would bring, you could show that to the insurance company or maybe later on to a jury. So that's going to be things like taking pictures of the damage to the vehicles, taking pictures of the accident scene where the cars were when they struck each other, road conditions, traffic, things like that. Also, you want to get the names of any witnesses to the accident and the contact information. This can be very valuable later on in helping you tell your side of the story and what happened if the accident was somebody else's fault. And I mentioned this before, but one of the most important things is you want to get adequate medical treatment. A lot of people are involved in an accident, and these can be the types of injuries that don't necessarily show their full force right away. It may take a day or a few days for the soreness to kind of sink in, especially with the adrenaline that can be involved in an accident. So if you don't treat right away, you want to make sure to seek treatment if you feel like you're hurt within 2 weeks, because in the state of Florida this activates your PIP insurance, which allows usually $10,000 in medical treatment. And if you wait over 2 weeks, then that insurance just isn't available to you. Finally, it's important to contact an attorney that specializes in advocating for victims of motor vehicle accidents. This is a special type of case. You deal with insurance companies, in this case, that often specialize in motor vehicle accidents. You see a lot of the same types of injuries, go to the same types of doctors, so getting with an attorney that is a specialist in this area is going to be key in making sure you get the full value out of your claim, and in making sure that they can guide you through the process of what to expect in bringing an auto accident claim.